Hello everyone. So I will just do a little explanation of next part of the video from Ukraine. So this is one of the days of our vacation in Ukraine. The city calls it Rivne in Ukrainian. So this is my city where I was born and was lived almost the whole my life. And this is the city where we spend our vacation in or whatever. So I will just tell you a little bit what was going on this day. Well, before it was, when I was little, it was like a cinema, and now they made a big mall out of this. And here they're building something more. So every year I can see a lot of changes in this city. So, big church. There is a big market. Also, just will show you some famous places. So for the people who visited Rivne, they know those places or those buildings and stuff. There is a nightclub, and we have another one a little bit there. It's 2 nightclubs that I was going to. And now, surprise, we have a tank. The person who likes tanks. And there's another little person who likes the tank skiing. And sorry for super loud sounds in the video. I hope you can hear me. If not, then write it down. I will add some titles. But I hope I was watching a couple times and it was like pretty hearable. So I hope everything will be alright. So this is another nightclub that I was used to go to. Trolley buses. Some woman wants to be on YouTube. So we were walking a lot. We decided to walk to one of the memorials of glory. That's a memorial place. It's for those people who died in the war. I think Second World War. And there is also graveyard.
Second World War and horses?
Huh? I don't know. In my thoughts, it was like a big place, but what you can see, it's small. So when I was little, it looked for me huge, I think. Will show you my school, and we were hanging out with my family and friends. My school.
Yeah. It was a video crash.
What?
I was supposed to just go through the video.
So this video gonna be a little bit shorter. Well, with all of my explanations, it's gonna be as long as others. So just keep watching. I still have tons of material from every day. I thought that I can combine couple days, like the last video I combined 2 days in one, but every day have a lot of videos, so we'll have a lot of series from this vacation. So keep watching. There are 2 spies that coming.
Так, без меня только.
Бабушка! Выходи! Выходи!
Сейчас выйдет.
Малявки. Please subscribe and like and write comments what you think about our videos, and share it with friends, and have a nice day. Bye.